Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Still using the same weak password everywhere? Or saving logins in your browser and hoping for the best? Today, I'm reviewing FastestPass Password Manager, a lifetime deal on StackSocial that helps you lock down every password for you and your family without monthly fees. Let's break it down fast. Here's what you get. Built-in password generator. Create strong, unique passwords in one click. Encrypted password vault store logins, bank details, ID numbers, notes, and more. Autofill on trusted devices. Log in faster without typing passwords manually. Family sharing with control. Share passwords safely with permission settings. Security dashboard alerts you about weak or reused passwords. Cross-platform support. Works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, plus Chrome and Firefox. Automatic device sync. Your data stays updated everywhere, up to 6 devices. Everything is protected with military-grade encryption. Here's the best part. The FastestPass family plan. Lifetime deal is $34 one time, no monthly or yearly fees. Regular price, $120. That's a 70% discount for lifetime access. If you want a simple, secure password manager that works across all devices and covers your whole family, FastestPass is a solid lifetime deal. Check the StackSocial link below, grab the lifetime access, and stop worrying about passwords forever. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.